What makes Pasadena City College unique? You could start with the fact that it's called Pasadena home for nearly a century. You could highlight how nearly every New Year's Day, the world-famous Rose Parade has passed right by its doorstep. You could list the Jackie Robinsons, Octavia Butlers, Jaime Escalantes, Van Halens, and other amazing alumni that have graced its campus. You could look at its students, its faculty, its counselors, coaches, and tutors. You could look at all of the people that work at PCC every day to help our students succeed. But today, we're not going to do that. We're going to show you what PCC looks like from the ground level in real space. PCC shares a name and a location with Pasadena, California, which is one of those places that you'd think only existed in the movies. In fact, it has.
So you think you made it into the class, Shorty?
The college is located in an urban center that feels like a small town, but it's got to be one of the biggest small towns in the country. But PCC is bigger than Pasadena. We have campuses spread across the Pasadena Area Community College District. From PCC Northwest at John Muir High School to PCC Rosemead in the southeastern section of our district, to the Foothill Campus Community Education Center, the Child Development Center, to our flagship Colorado campus. Each facility serves a purpose: to bring the promise of education into our community. That purpose first took root on Colorado Boulevard. The Central Campus core is 3 complementary buildings circling our historic mirror pools. These 3 buildings used to be the entire college, Pasadena Junior College, but we've grown a bit. These 3 are now dedicated to the Horace Mann, or C Building, holds English, ESL and languages, the social sciences, and campus administration. And right in its middle is Sexson Auditorium. Here's a fun fact. One of Van Halen's first shows ever was on the Sexson Auditorium stage. To the east and west are twin Art Deco buildings that house Earth Sciences, the Learning Assistance Center, International Student Center, Disabled Students Programs and Services, and the Student Health Center. Next to the C Building is the Quad, the center of campus life. This space hosts student research presentations, spirit activities, civic and cultural groups, food trucks and movie nights, and political rallies. Ringing the Quad are the Catherine Robbins R Building, with the Math Department and Math Success Center, plus the Dental Program, and the Quest Center, a space for undocumented and LGBT students to find fellowship and support. Next door is the Bookstore and Campus Center, with the Black Student Success Center and Ujima and the Puente Project. The Lancer Pantry provides healthy nutrition to roughly 3,000 students a month. Journalism is taught here, as is culinary arts. PCC's associated students hold their meetings here, and the Office of Student Life inspires the campus spirit. Every summer, the Wi-Fi Lounge transforms into the Welcome Center, where students and their families get a taste of college life. The IT building is also home to the Robert G. Freeman Center for Career and Completion, a new addition to PCC Student Services operation. The Freeman Center brings career advice, coaching, job search, and placement activities under one roof, providing a hub for students and local employers to find ways to work together. Down the way from here is PCC's planetarium and the observatory. Yep, we've got one of each. Oh, and Albert Einstein was here to help open these buildings in the 1930s. Yeah, that guy. On our way back west across campus, we'll go past the recently expanded Veterans Resource Center, which helps former service members find their path through civilian life. The VRC has made PCC a top school for veterans in each of the past 8 years. The swimming pool and the gymnasium are right here, along with Robinson Stadium. That last one was named for Mac and Jackie Robinson, who both played here before they went on to change the face of sports for all time. The Center for the Arts brings together visual arts and performing arts in PCC's newest building. This is home to the historic Herald Trumpets and Tournament of Roses Honor Band. With more than 230 members, this musical powerhouse is a highlight of every celebration on New Year's morning. The Center for the Arts also houses one of PCC's art galleries, a fully stocked music lab, the Black Box Theater, and Westerbeck Recital Hall. Just walk through the space and you can feel the music and art surround you. Galloway Plaza and the Boone Sculpture Garden take us over to Shatford Library, where PCC's dedicated library staff help students conduct research, uncover new knowledge, and develop habits of learning that will serve them throughout their academic career. The building also houses Lancer Radio and its podcast studio, and PCC's hard-working Information Technology Services team. Here's a riddle for our times. What do you get when you take a college away from its campuses? The answer is something completely unexpected. As soon as the coronavirus pandemic hit, PCC shifted gears to take its teaching and services online. Staff rearranged their lives to work from home, setting up Zoom rooms and chat lines to help students navigate a new world. Faculty turned their classes on a dime, launching hybrid learning and sharing new ideas with their colleagues and beyond. Much of this response was made possible by PCC's embrace of wraparound services for its students. The Pathways FIE First-Year Experience program provides high-touch advising, college success courses, career exploration, and a place of belonging to all of PCC's first-year students. That's roughly 5,500 people every year. And now they're doing it remotely, on demand, and in ways that continuously adapt to our students' needs. It's a bit of a paradox that taking away our space created so much space for us to grow. Someday, we'll come back to our brick-and-mortar lives. We're ready to keep exploring and improving our services to students and the community. We'll break new barriers. We're always learning. We're excited to share what we find.